Hey, FUB community, Daniel here with Interface. We help the best real estate teams in the world automate and analyze their sales process and follow up. A quick sneak peek of a couple more reports we're going to be launching. These are in beta now, so they are available. Official launch will be sometime in the next 30 days or so. So they'll be able to have a digital whiteboard. So instead of having the old whiteboard with the dry erase markers, everything could be digital. You could have a monitor in your office displaying it. So, signed listings, active listings, pendings, closed. We're going to have an option that displays everything at once. So you can see all of the properties in your pipeline in one screen. So this is the listing whiteboard, digital listing whiteboard, and then we're also going to have leaderboards and challenges. So right now we just have leaderboards around closings, but we're going to be adding in all the different activity types, so calls, text, emails. And we're also going to have challenges where you could create point systems. So, 1 point for a call and 5 points for an appointment and 10 points for a listing, and it'll all roll up into one master leaderboard. So that'll be coming soon, but a couple more reports that we're going to be including in our analytics launch sometime in the next 30 days or so. So stay tuned. Thanks, everyone.